talk about. Many talk about how great they are off-road. Many talk about how great they are on the track. Many talk about how great they are in the technical trail. Many talk about how great they are on the fast trail. But when you join the parade, you really prove what you are. Why? Because off-road, tak boleh, pura-pura. There's no pretending for off-road racing.
That's what we call Bukit Taubat. Ini in the middle of the trail. Ini yang paling heavy. So this is the first level. Finish first level, then we can continue.